Good morning to everybody, and this is the class about the difference between the Shia and Sunni law is concerned, which is the first year, second semester topic. Let me see what is the difference between the Sunni and Shia law. It is a general differences, but when you study it, we will see in each chapter the different type of the differences would be there for each chapter that we'll discuss later. A difference between the Sunni and Shia has originated from the political and spiritual grounds. The other difference are on the basis of the religious practices and rituals people follow. Sunni is an Arabic word which means the one who follows the traditions or sunnah of the Prophet, whereas Shia word is derived from the Shiayat Ali, that means friends of Ali. And Sunni and Shia developed different political beliefs regarding the leadership after the death of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. All those who are in favor of the Abu Bakr, Umar, and Usman, and here sometimes written as the OTTOMAN and sometimes USMAN. The Usman, the first three Khalifas are called Sunnis, and those who believe that leadership only belonged to the family of the Prophet call themselves Shia. Shia Muslims believe that Ali was the legitimate successor and eligible as the first Khalifa since he was the cousin and son-in-law of the Prophet. Sunni Muslims are in majority as compared to the Shia Muslims, and they are spread all over the world. Shia Muslims are more significantly present in Iraq, Iran, Bahrain, Yemen, Syria, Lebanon, and Pakistan. Of course, some of the Shias also will find in India. Sunni and Shia Muslims have different religious practices, although they share the set of same basic beliefs of Islam. They have almost 15 minutes difference in their prayers and fasting times. There is also a difference in their rituals and other ceremonies like nikah or marriage ceremony. Shia Muslims also believe in the muta or marry of a woman for a brief period of time, whereas Sunni Muslims don't believe in this obsolete ritual which is forbidden by the Prophet. Shia and Sunni both have different rituals for pilgrimage as well. Shia Muslims often travel to pay their homage to the tombs present in Iran and Iraq, and Sunni Muslims base their religious practices on the basis of hadith or traditions of the Prophet as narrated by the companion of the Prophet, whereas Shia Muslims reject and don't follow the hadith book, etc. Another major difference and bone of the contention between the two sects is the animosity and hatred of the Shiites towards the first three Khalifas in Islam and other companions of the Prophet. Shia Muslims follow extreme of hatred towards some companions and love for some other companions of the Prophet. Shia Muslims believe that 12th Imam Mahdi has already been born and would soon come out of from his hiding, whereas Sunni Muslims believe that he has yet to be born and will emerge soon. Shia Muslims lead Ashura or mourning processions in the memory of the martyr Imam Hussein, the grandson of the Prophet. In summary, we will see like this. Number one, Shia Muslims believe that the legitimate leadership inheritance belonged only to the Ahle Bayat or a bloodline of the Prophet. Number two, Sunni Muslims follow the Sunnah and Hadith or Sunnah, whichever is there, is the practice of the following the traditions of Prophet narrated by the Prophet's companion. Third, Shia Muslims lead mourning processions in the memory of the martyr Imam Hussein and mourn for the period of 10 days in the Islamic month of Muharram. The fourth point, Sunni and Shia Muslims both follow same belief but have difference in the religious and ritual practices such as prayers or salat and fasting. The fifth, Sunni and Shia population exist all over the world, whereas Shia Muslims are more significantly found in Iran and Iraq. And these are the summary of the differences. The above points which discussed are general in nature. When we study each topic in family law, Muslim law for each topic like marriage, dower, divorce, gift, maintenance, guardianship, succession, wills, waqf, etc. We'll also discuss study in each chapter similarity and distinction between the Shia and Sunni law. Let us now see the tabular form of the difference between the Shia and Sunni law in general, in particular too in the next screen. Let us see the next screen. Yes, now that has come the next screen. There is a difference between the Shia and Sunni law in the tabular form, which is in general it is made over there, but specific as I discussed or told, and we will study in each chapter. Like marriage, there also we will study the difference between the Sunni and Shia law, divorce, maintenance, guardianship, etc. In separate also we will see in specific the differences here, and here overall differences we will see for our particular purpose of the syllabus is concerned. And regarding the Shia law and Sunni law, the differences between goes like this. Muta or temporary marriage is recognized in Shia law. Muta marriage is not recognized in Sunni law. And here Muta marriage is a temporary marriage, which is mostly followed by the Shia law, that is the subsect of Itna Sharia, as we discussed earlier videos. Father and grandfather are recognized as a legal guardian for marriage. And in the Sunni law, father and father's father, how howsoever brothers, other paternal relations, mother are also recognized as a legal guardian for marriage. The minimum amount for dowry is not fixed in Shia law, but in 10 dirham is the minimum amount of dowry is fixed. In Shia law, talaq must be pronounced orally in Arabic language, but in Sunni law, talaq may be oral or in writing. In Shia law, divorce under compulsion or threat or intoxication is void, but under Sunni law, divorce and compulsion or threat or intoxication are just is not void. In Shia law, the mother is entitled to the custody of boy up to the 2 years and of a girl up to 7 years. In Sunni law, Shia is entitled to the custody of the boy up to 7 years and of a girl until she attains the puberty. In Shia law, it is not obligated to maintain the father if he is able to earn. In Sunni law, it is obligatory to maintain even if he is able to earn himself. In Shia law, without delivery of possession of the property, the waqf is valid. In Sunni law, mere declaration is enough for a valid waqf. In Shia law, a gift of undivided share in the property is valid provided it is capable of partition. In Sunni law, a gift of undivided share in the property is invalid if it is undivided and incapable of portion. In Shia law, a person can bequeath one third of his estate without the consent of the other heirs. In Sunni law, the consent of the heirs is essential in case of legacy in favor of an heir. In Shia law, there are only two classes of heirs, namely sharers and residuaries. In Sunni law, there are three classes of heirs, that is sharers, residuaries, and the third one is distant kindred. In Shia law, Shia Muslim believes that the legitimate leadership inheritance belongs only to the Ahle-i Bayat or bloodline of the Prophet. But in Sunni law, they believe in the democracy and thus the election is held to select who will be the Khalifa. In Shia Muslims believe that the 12th Imam Mahdi has already been born and would soon come out from his hiding. In Sunni law, Muslims believe that the Imam Mahdi has to be born and will emerge soon. In Shia law witnesses are not necessary at the time of marriage. And in Sunni law, at least two male witnesses are necessary in marriage. And the last point here we would like to discuss in the Shia law constitute about 10 to 15% of all Muslims, and globally their population is estimated at less than 200 millions. In Sunni law, the great majority, upwards of 85 to 90% of the world's more than 1.6 billion of Muslims are Sunnis, and these are the general differences between the Shunnila. Thank you very much for viewing my video, and goodbye.